Can you pronounce these impossible Romanian words correctly? Well, let's see. In this video, we are going to have a look at 15 Romanian words which are quite tricky to pronounce. For each word that you are going to pronounce correctly, you are going to get 1 point. And please do let me know in the comments how it went. So let me know your score. Let's start. Hai să începem. Our first word is surroundings. How do you pronounce it correctly in Romanian? Take a moment to think about it, and then I'm going to tell you how you pronounce it correctly. Maybe it's not even tricky for you. The correct pronunciation is împrejurimi. 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 Surroundings. So if you got it correctly, then make sure that you write down you got 1 point. Let's move on with screwdriver. And this is how you write it in Romanian. How do we pronounce it? The correct pronunciation is șurubelniță. 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 Good. If you pronounce it correctly, then you got another point. Let's move on with our third word, which is skyscraper. This is how you write it and how do you pronounce it. The pronunciation is zgârie nori. Zgârie nori. Zgârie nori. Let's move on with our fourth word, which is ice cream. Ice cream in Romanian is înghețată. 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 This is very popular, so you need to know it because during summer, of course, we do want an ice cream. So, ice cream, înghețată. Good. If it was correct, the way that you pronounce it, then make sure that you write down. You got another point. We'll move on with alone, which in Romanian is împrumut. 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 All right, then let's move on with footwear, which in Romanian is tricky. How do you pronounce it? Încălțăminte. And all together, încălțăminte. 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 Good. Another point. Then we move on with unfriendly. Unfriendly, maybe someone is unfriendly, so you do want to know how to say it correctly. And unfriendly in this case, so the way that I wrote it down, it's for a female. And this is neprietenoasă. 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 So, neprietenoasă, if we are referring to a female, if we are referring to a male, then we say neprietenos. Neprietenos. So, for a male, neprietenos, for a female, neprietenoasă. Good. Let's move on with our next word, which is a bunch of grapes. How do we say that in Romanian? We say cior, chi, ne. Ciorchine. 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 And how about worrying? I think this is quite tricky to pronounce. So the correct pronunciation is îngrijorător. 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 All right, and we move on with in love. In love, in Romanian is îndrăgostit. 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 Someone is in love, someone is îndrăgostit. We move on with a mess. How do we say mess in Romanian? I mean, we say like this, but how do we pronounce it? We pronounce it încurcătură. 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 Good. Another point for you. And we move on with gratitude, which in Romanian is recunoștință. 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 Gratitude. And our next word is unusual. And how do we pronounce it? Neobișnuit. 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 Something is unusual. Something is neobișnuit. And our last word is resourceful, which in Romanian is descurcăreț. 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 All right, we've reached the end of the video. We've reached the end of the quiz. Please let me know in the comments your score, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.